bending of light. Even if you pass light, you have this what do you say, laser light, laser light. And laser, have seen the red light? It passes, it gives a beam. Just keep any solid object, light, and just pass laser. You will not see the light straight, but it will move little inclined. So we call that property as refraction. Refraction. And this has given by a formula. This has been given a formula when light passes from one medium to another. When, for example, see, this is we call this as air, and this we call as water. And here we have two angles. One is the angle of incidence. One is the angle of incidence. Incidence means inside. Incidence. One is the angle of incidence, and another is the angle of refraction. Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Whichever is the angle I. And another is the angle of refraction. So, Snell, they said that actually these things has been given not now, it has given several hundred years before by Imam Razi and all those people. They are even I think you have one image picture there. Imam Hazel, which is like that. He first performed this bending of light experiment before it came. Like that, all those things are there. Imam Hazel, it's there in your office also. So, what happens? The angle of incidence and the ratio he has given by a famous scientist called Snell, and it is called as Snell's law of refraction. Snell's law of refraction. What is that one? The ratio of sine value of angle of incidence to the value of ratio of sine value of angle of refraction is a constant. Same things. Theta the same thing. Trigonometry. Trigonometry. Don't tell. Theta is an angle. Theta is an angle. Even this I, you can keep theta. Or you can keep dental. So they are giving. So you study the trigonometry here. For example, you are taking this one means opposite side. We have taken by hypotenuse, like all those things we have seen. Is it not?
Sir,
so.
इसमें कौन सा triangle आता?
Speaking.
I and R है ये. Angle I and R है.
Yes. See, this is your straight line. See, if you put a normal was 90 degrees. Flat ranking is a normal. Or normal से कितना angle तुमने कौन सा? I will perform one test inshallah. All those who are present means I will do all these things. Yes, Baba.
सर वो ये तो पेंसिल स्ट्रेट है ऐसा रखे तो इसमें पानी नहीं निकलता तो ऊपर का वो एंगल कहां से?
वो तो वैसे दोनों नॉर्मल बोलते तो इसका जो नॉर्मल है नहीं इसका 90 डिग्री चला 90 डिग्री ले ले तो इसमें कितना है तो आगे यू कैन सी रिफ्लेक्ट
इसका 90 डिग्री वाला तो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस
इसे नॉर्मल बोलते हैं उसका एग्जैक्टली कितना 90 डिग्री उसका ऑपोजिट था तो ऑपोजिट वी विल गेट डिफरेंट टू एंगल्स इंशाल्लाह वी विल डू दिस with a prism or with a glass slab. We will do this two experiments inshallah because we have in our syllabus also those things inshallah we will do. So the ratio of angle of sine of the incidence to the ratio of angle of refraction is a constant and it is given by a Greek term called nu. M-E-U.
वैसे सर इसको
nu. Just put u and put your bar across it. Mu. For any object, the mu value is constant. For water, it is there some value. For glass, it is there. For diamond, it is there. Like that. Diamond 1.43. For diamond 1.43 like that. All these things. So,
Sir, bending क्या refraction क्या sir?
in English we call bending. In physics we call
Refraction.
Already I told you in chemistry also. Tell me in chemistry, not in English like the raised to 10, is it not? So,
सर इसमें एंगल आई एंगल आर नहीं खाली आई आर
what is this? Here we have an angle. For example, you are getting the 15 degrees means you put sine 15. Okay, angle I
Instead of
sine 15. Sine 15. अब उसे sine refraction कितना है? Suppose sine 15 होने चांस नहीं, some 13 होगा or even 12 होगा. What? Because it depends on the bending, is it not? No value will be equal. Value same. What happens? It is normal. Normal, so no refraction. there may be some change. There may be some change. Initially, we have some problems also. You can see that. So, today we have seen about the properties of light. One property is reflection, and another property is refraction. Refraction means it is bending. When it happens, when light passes from
Water.
one medium to another medium. Don't tell water. It will be different. Even glass. Even glass. What happens? It may change. When light passes from one medium to another medium, we have this property called refraction, and then scientists by name Snell here given a relationship between the value of angle of incidence and the value of refraction. So by given as mu is equal to sin I by sin r, and always for a particular substance constant. Then water means it will be same, glass means it is same, copper, diamond or all those things is same.
When one medium.
हीरा को बोलते हैं तुम्हें हीरे में कैसे कई होता कॉस्ट डिफरेंट है मतलब इट डिपेंड्स ऑन इट्स म्यू वैल्यू इसका म्यू वैल्यू कितना ज्यादा होता है उतना उसका रिफ्रैक्शन उसका जो क्या बोलते हैं चमक इट विल बी मोर
Sir, when light passes to one medium to another medium, the refraction
occurs
occurs.
definitely yes that is it yes clear this is the basic thing we are seeing. If we go to the optics, it's better to bring all the lenses and the mirrors. Then I will tell you. Have you seen a lens? Magnifier है ना magnifier. You have magnifier here?
No.
Now, अच्छा. Let us see the distinction between the mirrors and lenses. Mirrors are reflecting surfaces. Mirrors are reflecting surfaces. Do you know what is coated on the back side of the mirror?
Silver
Very good. How it is coated? Have you know? There's some orange
metal
color
is
Melted.
melted and
So then your mirror will cost costly.
Carbon.
No, what? Copper. Copper. What's the color of copper?
brown.
Brownish. So when it looks like brown,
Silver
yeah,
is given.
silver. But it's very thin coating, 0.01 micron. 1 by 1000, 1 millionth of yeah, what you can say?
I think वो liquid is ना sir.
No, it's not liquid. What they do, they take silver nitrate plus ammonium hydroxide. What they take? Silver nitrate plus ammonium hydroxide. Silver nitrate plus ammonium hydroxide. So what happens? Because of this reaction, the silver is get precipitated. Silver on the sides or on the surface, glass surface, on the glass surface. Silvering of matter. Silvering of matter. Silvering of matter. Reflecting surface. Reflecting surface. Lenses are what you can say? They pass light from one medium to another. Now we have three different lenses. What it may be? First of all, plane mirror.
Sir, mirror का property है तो reflecting surface. It has a reflecting surface. The lenses have
They pass light from passing away. What you can say?
Refraction now.
Refraction will be there. Refraction will be there, but not to that extent. But not to that extent. Plane mirror, plane, spherical mirror. Same here. Plane, lens, or we call it as glass, and here we have spherical lenses. Sphere, you know sphere? Sphere. How it is? How is sphere looks?
ball.
Very good. So actually a ball. Now solid ball we can take. You know ice cream bob over here, round shape ice cream pack is coming with the cover, round cover. Have you seen that? Ice cream. Okay, we will take a ball. No problem. We will take it. I will cut here a part of this. Imagine I have taken a sphere of glass, then I put a small piece. So I call this as a spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Whenever we think of a spherical mirror, we have to consider it as a ball from which we have cut a part of it. We have cut a part of it. So if we see from this side, we have a curved surface like this. We call this surface as concave. Cave-like. Also concave. Now the same thing if I invert like this. The same thing if I invert like this. So we call it as convex. Yesterday we have seen one mirror and a lens. Remember, yesterday we have seen a lens and a mirror.
Down one here, right?
Concave mirror you have seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what happens? How objects look in that mirror?
Big.
Big.
Big. Concave mirror, you see objects big. And how the microscope is made up of? Microscope is made up of two con. Yeah, we have two things. Just concave or convex. Convex lenses. Convex lenses. They are not concave lenses. They are convex lenses. So again we have here. See, this is